Hello students, this is Professor here with your next video class and today we are going to continue with the same exercise that we were doing in the previous class. Okay, so today we are going to do number 5. Okay, so the question is saying that by what number should we divide 5 by 12? So we are dividing 5 by 12 with certain number that we don't know, that is we have to find that. Okay, so that the quotient is 117 by 18. Okay, so quotient is given, remainder is not given, means remainder is 0. Okay, so that means we have to see by which number we are going to divide 5 by 12 so that quotient is this much and we have no remainder. Okay, so solution: let the number be x. So what do you mean by this? This means we are dividing 5 by 12 by x so that the quotient is this much. Means then we are dividing 5 by 12 by how much? X, so that the quotient is how much? 117 by 18 and there is no remainder. Okay, so this is the case. So now in the left hand side what we will do, so what is our task? Our task is to find the value of x. Okay, so for that let us first solve this one. So 5 by 12, this division I am making it as multiplication. Okay, so multiplication, and so in that case what will happen? I have to write its reciprocal. So 1 by x equals to how much? This I will convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so this is how much? 18 plus 17, 35 out of 18, right? So in this case, so now my task is to find the value of x. Okay, so how will I find? First I will try to take this to the right hand side. That means I will keep only 1 by x in the left hand side. Okay, understood? So what will happen? Here it is multiplication, so we have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means now this will remain as it is in the right hand side. Now this portion which we are taking to the right hand side will go as its reciprocal, means this 12 will go up. Cross means like this, this will come down, means 12 by 5. Cross multiplication. Okay, the denominator will go up to the numerator, numerator will go down to the denominator. Okay, so next what I have to do, I will cancel whatever is cancelling here. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, isn't it? Next 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So how much? 1 by x equals to 7 2s are 14 by 3 1s are 3, right? Then what is the value of x? This is the this is not the value of x, this is the value of 1 by x. Okay, so I have to find the value of x. So again I have to cross multiply. So this x will go this side, 1 will go this side, isn't it? Similarly 3 will go up, 14 will come down. Means if I cross multiply in the, if I try to bring this to the right hand side, so 3 out of 14 equals to, so this will go up x by 1, means I will not write because x by 1 is x only, therefore x equals to 3 by 14. So now this is the value of x. Okay, x equals to 3 by 14. Okay, hence the number is 3 by 14. So this is how you will do question number 5. Okay, similarly you can do 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7 as a homework. I'll move to question number 8. So now in question number 8, the question is the area of a rectangle is 65 1 by 4 meter square. If its breadth is 5 7 by 16 meter, find its length. So we have to find the length. So suppose let the length of the rectangle be, so it is in meter, x meter. Okay, suppose this was x meter. Okay, so x, this I have assumed the value of the length. So now you have to find the value of x. Okay, so now what is given? Area is given as 65 1/4 meter square, right? Okay, so now area means what? Length into breadth. Okay, so length into breadth. Length is how much? X into breadth is how much? It is already given in the question as 5/7/16 equals to 65 1/4. Okay, so now what I will do? I will try to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So x into, this is how much? 16 5s are 80 plus 7, 87/16 equals to, here 4 into 65 is how much? It is 260, is it? Plus 1, 261/4. Okay, then what you will do? You will now cross multiply to find the value of x. So we will keep only x in the left hand side equals to, this will remain as it is. So now this will go this side as its reciprocal, right? Cross multiply. So that means 16 will go up divided by 87. So we have to cancel. So 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Okay. So now can you cancel this one? So I hope you can cancel. You can cancel with 3, right? 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are, so with 29, 29 1s are 29, 29 3s are 87, right? So how much will you get? 3 4s are 12 by 1 1s are 1, that is, we will not write. So x equals to 12. Therefore length is how much? 12 meter, because it was x meter, right? So length is 12 meter. Okay, so this is how you will do this kind of sums. And now number 6 and 7 were already your homeworks. Number 6 and 7 were already your homeworks. I want you to try number 9 10. Number 9 and 10 I want you to try. Okay, now we'll move to the next number, that is question number 11. Okay, now what is question number 11 saying? In a school, 3/5 of the students are girls. If the number of boys in the school is 200, find the total number of students in the school. So you have to find the total number of students. If 3/5 of the total students are girls, and how many boys are there? 200 boys are there. Okay, so let the total number of students in a school be x. Okay, suppose there are x number of students in a school. Okay, then what is given? Number of girls is how much? Number of girls is how much? So number of girls is 3/5 of the students, means of the total students, that is x, isn't it? So this means how much? 3/5 of means simply into, so equals to 3 into x, that is 3x/5. Okay, so this is number of girls. So next you have to see number of boys. Number of boys is already given. So how many boys are there? 200, right? 200 boys are there in the school. Then you have to find the total number of students, that is total number of students is x. You have to find the value of x. So now how can we get the total number of students? Now total number of students can be obtained as number of girls plus number of boys, right? Number of girls plus number of boys will give you the total number of students, isn't it? So total number of student is how much? X equals to number of girls is how much? 3x by 5. Okay, plus number of boys is how much? 200. Okay, understood? Then how much will you get? So now I will try to keep x in the left hand side. That means x, this will come to the left hand side as minus 3x by 5 equals to 200. Okay, okay. Next I'll try to solve the left hand side, because right hand side is already in the simplest form, that is 200. So I'll take the LCM. LCM is how much? 5, because here it is 1. So what will come here? So 1 divided by 5, 5 into x, 5x minus 3x equals to 200, isn't it? Means 5x minus 3x is how much? 2x by 5 is how much? 200. Okay, next, now I want to keep x only in the left hand side, and others I will try to take it to the right hand side. So this will go as we cross multiply 5 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 hundreds are 200, right? So this is how much? Implies x equals to 500. So therefore total number of students in a school is how much? 500. So 500 students are there in a school. Okay, so this is how you will do this kind of sums. So now in this case, similarly you can do 12 as your homework. Okay, number 12 as your homework. So now we will do question number 13. And in question number 13, what is given? Divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. Means you have to first add them and then subtract them, and you have to divide whatever is the answer from the addition, you have to divide that by the answer of the subtraction. Okay, so first you have to find sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 firstly. Okay, firstly sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 is how much? 65 by 12 plus 8 by 3. So you can take the LCM. LCM is 12, so this is 65 plus 3, 4 adds a 32, right? So this is how much? 97 by 12. Okay, so this is the sum. Now secondly, the difference of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 is how much? 65 by 12 minus 8 by 3. Similarly, you will take the LCM as 12. This will remain same, only the sign will be different. So this is how much? 33 by 12, isn't it? So what you have to do? Therefore, you have to divide the sum by the difference. Means sum is how much? 97 by 12 divided by 33 by 12. Now I will make it as multiplication. So multiplication means this will go up 12 by 33, right? So 12 cancelled. So how much will you get? So is there anything that will be divisible? So I think this will remain as it is. So you can divide, right, and convert it into mixed fraction. So how much? 32 66 1 31 by 33. So this is the answer. Okay, and similarly you can do question number 14. So what all are your homeworks? Number 6, number 7, number 9, number 10, number 12 and number 14. So these are your homeworks from this exercise. Okay, so till the next video, you do this homework and submit it. Okay, and we will move to the next topic in the next video.